getting oatmeal. Oatmeal.
Sorry to startle you, ma'am. I'm leaving your husband.
It was failure to signal.
I found a nickel.
You see, we're a
Oatmeal
family. My God, man, where's your touchy. What is it, PMS?
Black guy.
Here, this is for you. A beeper?
Beep, beep, beeper. Beeper, beeper, beep, beep, beeper. That's right. Beep, 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 beeper. Beeper, beep, 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 beeper. Beeper, beep, beep, beeper.
That's right. Now stick that beeper in your PMS.
Fuck you. What is this? Interview with the nerdy vampire?
This is...
This could be a mercy.
I'm not even dressed yet.
Dad.
Edward, what's the matter?
Hit the floor! Not you! Old figure!
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown.
Evening, guys.
Hello.
Hey, I'm Sergeant Black.
oatmeal.
And you are?
Kenny. Kenny Carmichael.
Hey, Kenny.
This is my partner, Jay.
Yeah. Hey, you mind if I join you, fellas? I could sure go for a cruller.
Cruller.
You threaten my people with slavery and death.
Apparently you have the same problem with soap.
Why? You can't do this.
I said no! I won't go!
She's been shot. They wanted her shoes. God, Josie, you should have given them the stupid shoes. Well, my skin is definitely black.
Comedy.
Steve.
Ooh, watch out. It's Arnold Schwarzenegger.
I wear the black's house. I am the bread. I am the
Oatmeal
of this house.
Black kids.
Talk to me, babe.
Shut up.
I'll be on 101.6. Let's talk more music.
Bum.
Tina Turner.
I'll treat you to a big bowl of
oatmeal.
That's unusual procedure.